with so many things, untold stories. No other person have shared those things with you people because people are skeptical. People they scared. People they scared to come up with this type of revelations because one way or the other, don't get believe, no give me affect. What was the only year I'm affect, but I na pumu check it mputa ya na apia wazo. I subscribe be na my YouTube. I subscribe be here. I dey double tap. I dey share. I dey be another platform je chom ke ya na emezi. I mean sometimes I make na anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo. In most cases I had their support onwe anyị. To bad ọ bụ na nna asụ ofe we na apịala mba nna apịa here. Ọ bụ na nna asụ ofe mo na njos wozeli broken. Mbosi ọ bụ na decide ọkụ na amara na nna asụ broken gogo. Broken ọkwa wafi migwo. Early then decide when na broken when na Yoruba over. Una achkwala nwanne m na taba ọkwa mbala na dia ndị ya nọzi na my followers ozikwe ndị ofe ndị wore ani geje ọdụ na achọ kun tubili m ndị wore ka nje piawazie ndị wore lamba because lamba with the same thing all over the world kosi eziokwu the same thing ị na-asụ ya n'Oyibo the same ị na-asụ ya n'Igbo the same ị na-asụ ya n'Yoruba ka ndị Igbo ka anyị na-support n'onwe anyị ekwugo m ya ọ bụrụ na ị nọ na app a na-enwe another person page ọzọ na-ekwu unfiltered truth ihe nna apịa ya tag ya mụ na mmejeja the person ike. Yes, ọ bụrụ na enwe a replica of ihe a na-eme ya na another place tag ya m dia na mmejeja the person ike. Yes. Adịghị sense okwu. I adịghị abịara m sense okwu. The only page ọzọ ị ga-afụ m na TikTok ahụ na page Chukwumelije. And then why? Because the guy only the wisdom to display. And only that place I choose to be here. First time as I make a new able first time we the happy J the never video kina yotago J blue wisdom ki bulu na no. As is going ibul oh somebody go am no gechezi play iye na na page mjezie chiziele na akudi ya di ekwu ogwo detuwe na akwa ogbako owu gi even na akuziele unu di ya e guy chim not to follow ya nwanyi ibe nilo ka o mali ibe o ekwu owu gi even na akuziele unu di ibe ya uli titili nemo. Yes, obuli ye na akuzi. Ya na ebi ya uche. Ekwu m yesterday maka nwa ma ome no na street. Nwa ma ome no na street ma na ebu nwa ma ome. Ogezuo consequences of ya na emebia apopu oge ike. Nwa ma ome. Ị na-eme ga nwa ma na ewu nwa ma ome ịbago n'ime na ụmụ ga supu oge ike. But ipotele imobulu na odi. Ya cash out. Elize mgba akuchi gi iba n'ime ị na-emezi ya. Akọwa maka nwa ma ome no na street yesterday. Kọwa maka forcing guy, enwe ndị wo forcing guy, ịmachi anwụlọ dị ka ọ gị wo guy, onwe guy o. Ekwu mu akọwa maka cases, kọwa maka justice system. Onwe ihe ma dị akọwa here. Kọwa maka trial and mgbe ị na-emebe application, all this knowledge you need there. You as a mother, enwe ihe nna apịa here, ọ bụ na nwa gị elugo 17 years, 16 years. One of the things in them are very, very critical for you. Or the okay for you. Can I say nzo nwa nwanya dịkwa hard. Nzo nwa nwoke shikwela aba bike because so make one mistake over for you as a parent. I wouldn't go nwa the 17 years. You could see na page. Now nwa gị elugo 14 years. From 14 years up, you could see na page. Because most of the people, the parents, they don't have this experience. I'm sorry to tell you this, but then we get your husband, they want this experience. Once you identify yourself with this page, support or yana member. Abro a content creator. Abro a motivational speaker. Abo kwa motivation. Yes, abụla m motivational speaker. Ebe a ka ị ga na-enweta unfiltered. Ebe a ka a ga na-enye gị that question no dey difficult for you to answer. Somebody come here this morning. Ngwa the situation of her relationship ala agba ya. Onekene, thank you. Share no wahala. You are welcome. As a man, in one of these street mentality, in one of all this knowledge joined together with him, you need to come here and use this place as a base. Ijilia influence your children. Eba can na akpa for good iche and a take. Eba can na cover everything, na cover the influence, na cover the addiction, na cover the characteristics of every human being. Iyo addiction or na cover ke see perform. Ke time all get take before we drill the person. Eba can with everything. All these things na go niche na enwe. And the only motivation din ya na the impact, the positive impact, the positive response, but the only motivation. But we need to do more. Ine page ya no go popcorn agbangi go take popcorn no la na nene TV. Just banyo TV go onwe TV nene. Critical questions, see when the answer daily make any answer for you. The wisdom of God given, or by power, not by might. In anya moto just banyo gunine see Bishop Israel TV, then give Bishop money on our lamba pure, honest truth. Yes. Obuzi time in asinema law, yeah, make choices of the countries in age, make the right choices. Eba kangwa gini, if you were ready to lose all your friends, you will make it. Somebody will deal him na friends with evidence of name of. No, I'm not saying take out all your friends. I saying if you were ready. Obuni wele the mindset na te time they no alone in this world. Yes. As long as you lose all your friends, but control your friendship. Control your friends. Don't be deceived. Men are alone. Friendship. The first betrayal I went to know what 2010. Now 2010 come with my first betrayal. Obvious one, and we go na 2009. Obvious. And we go before Ngasat, but this one is sticked out. This one is very, very important for me. That time, therefore, somebody trust. People na bebe mun feed. Ajina azubulu mwamwaya nazo because I'm busy. I was not there. Because once you trust somebody, you give them the trust. Trust is earned. It's not give. You just give them. Or you go the trust. At the end of the day, a good girl can go bad within a twinkle of an eye. On a page I can go again. Even a good guy can go bad even a twinkle of an eye. A bad pass. Stop doing that. Stop being those sentimental, judgmental. Hey, some of the English were bad. And we I swear. And this girl Babugapona before. Even one of the best wife can come from somebody Babugolapona before. Yes. And this guy go street, no me go. And one of the best husband can come from, the best father can come from that. Because the person have to go all these things. He or she is no more enticed. But then when do July for when did their past influence her forever? Be careful, beware of those ones. But when the past had very, very bad, but how were the opportunity to make a positive impact in their future if given the opportunity? Your ability to study everybody now bear your way. Psychology is by nature, not by study. Your ability to know people, how people are, who are people coming to you. Your ability to know that with a designing spirit, you will be very, very successful. Some of you people ain't want to see your brother. I'm sorry to tell you this. Some of you people ain't want to role models within your borders. You could see grip na page. They say page again. Some of you guys, man, but you want to street any street affair. It doesn't make somebody move street history or make that person is somebody. The best people came from a rough part. The worst person is somebody the good, make it all or bad. You cannot deal with that person, even in marriage and in a relationship. Somebody may explore their fantasies, why they are with you. Now, in a family, now, it is 40 something, it is 40 years. You are now bringing, if you not your man, your man, explore the future. If you not now, your woman, explore the life. You will go problem as a man. One person cannot hold marriage. One person cannot hold a relationship. Ibu the only son, but a mother na pay ja the game man alo. A mother na eba aki kwesi no. Ibu the only daughter. A mother na eba inwezi mpa. A mother na eba aki kwesi ikuishi. Ine check agwa ya agwa. A mother na eba aki ga abia bulu wisdom. Ibulu knowledge ibi. Idol ina aga. Mmadụ weli ya ka iri die dị aka ojukwu ka original aka ka goodbye ka ezigbo aka. Psychology aga big ebe a ka m gwa gị na to be alone is not a bad thing, but to be alone and be happy is the best thing can happen to you. Never be afraid to be alone. Most times you will find yourself when you are in that corner. The four corners of your room will be a witness of what you are reasoning. In our koya, deep bright. People will respect you. Don't talk too much when you are with people. Be reserved. Be very, very reserved. Everything I know about the calculated is designed by the spirit. Yes. There was a time I don't talk. There was a time I didn't say nothing. A particular stage in my life, I was learning. Every single thing in a experience today is a lesson. Every person he may encounter, there is a significant reason each meet that person. Yesterday is either you are the perpetrator or again one with the victim. Every person will service hard render to you, whether good or bad. You have to learn the lesson. But don't repeat your mistake. I will take them in. Forgive them, but don't forget. Don't take it back. Except the people are very, very remorseful. And if taking back, take back with caution. With the principles of life, you gotta be dressed up. And I got no 10 million in account, but only 1 billion. They're jealous again when we 10 million naira. You have 20,000 naira in your account, but the way you portray yourself, or the king with 700,000 in your account, is all about knowing how to follow the word. Don't do anything to please anybody. You have to be very, very confident about yourself. And when look at yourself in the mirror. That is the word of my mother before she passed. My son, look at yourself in the mirror. A woman, as a woman, no other girl kagemwa. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. As a guy, don't feel threatened. Now that girl name she a girl possess portray such a thing. That girl is not for you. What is yours, whether good or bad. Let your love attract the men love for you. Let your energy attract the best energy for you. Stop forcing things when things are not meant to be. You force it. I want to prove to him. You can never prove to anybody. Instinct, I go somebody. Somebody's inner mind, I go get this girl love me. Somebody in a spirit, I go get this guy is in love with me. But they were busy. Any love that is given and is abused, that is not appreciated, is abused. That SMS, a mother got message, got reply on the back. And then on that project, that Arabia, in on that Arabia. Okay, see me English word, but I will just, Obule pattern in a receive study from that person, and you are still not bringing it up for discussion. Baby, enough for my message. He did reply my message. Baby, a man putting up excuses every time to shut you down is not a good person for you. A woman putting up excuses for you Love attracts love, the same energy you need. Even if it is not at equilibrium, at equal basis, at least again 60-40 love. This one can even protect you. Some of you people, your partners may sleep around even with your close friends. Somebody will shame. You know, make it with somebody will shame. Even you will shame. You know, make it with a girl who sleep go all your friends. In I code there, and you are finding out in our details, but you are ignoring it. You don't have a shame. Love that is not appreciated is an abuse. Abuse how long go mother will account to again. Abuse when mother till he gain our speed to prove something. Let me prove to him. I want to prove to him. I love him so much. I want to prove to her. I love her so much. She call. You will sell your house. And the girl will move on. If a girl you will go at the end of the day, and we'll talk about it like people are passing things. 15 years of marriage, a guy spent only 3 weeks with the woman, and the woman is telling me, my husband, clean your mouth. Keep your husband go where to him and our husband came. My wife, keep our wife, go where to him and our wife came. How many people is really with a good wife? How many people not with a good husband? The society today, you are scared of what people will do. And every time Igbo, somebody may please the people. Hey, I don't know what my friends will say. I don't know what the society. Nobody will still say anything. Nah, boy, nobody will still say anything. Nobody cares about you. That one person that you choose to care about you, if he doesn't care about you, nobody. You have to ask yourself a question. Why did I choose to be here? You are running away from trouble, but you are going inside fire. Joe Mwegi, why did I choose this very position for myself? Outside is fire, but I'm coming inside frying pan. In on a marriage, in on a relationship, but you use Yana or mind games. Okay, go be read. Why go be read? Then we go trust issue. I'm a good woman now go this morning. I say there is no trust. There ain't a trust issue. And some of those trust issues, and we have inferiority, complexity, insecurity. If a guy you were too much insecurity, why do you display it? Or they can that girl have a good girl. If a girl you were insecurity, or they can the guy have a good guy. All men are the same. You go appear. All men are not the same. You just happen to be with the wrong person. Shit. And when men did dignify, and when men were integrity, and when men, before self, before her mess up, they will always retract their way. And when ladies see the very dignified way integrity, or blown a one of fantasies to explore, no, but they condition themselves to be good for the one man handle with. All women are not the same, all men are not the same. You only can boast for yourself. You guide yourself for many years. You put yourself down for somebody named abuse. What is your future like? 10 years from now, so many of you people haven't survived the next 5 years with your present circumstances. As I get determined, where are you going to be in 5 years? Some of you people are speechless because there is no future in that, but you are still in that. You are the highest deceiver. Self-deceive. Self-deceit. The highest pain he gave me self-inflicted. The highest one we got when Kiji Akadi Webu Wegi. Obulonke Madi Bug, Obulo poison Madi Nyegi. No. Or Yiji Akadi Wegi. I wake up from that misfortune and anemia. Be near from that miserable situation, Know your partner for who they are. Define it. Go and stop defending the indefensible. Hi, na bish na swadio ibo this morning. And we go follow go more. We go follow go. And we go follow go. Jen follow my YouTube. Jen follow my YouTube. Oh no, I can use your hype grammatical, my grammatical and hey, nah. My grammatical selendio. Oh, biko. We have to be honest with ourselves. Telling yourself the truth is not hurting yourself. Some people, I don't want to face the reality. The reality is not so good to talk about. And another thing, withdraw from going to people that you are better than, telling them your problems. My grammatical say, hey, that is a continuation of the grammatical without an error. Hey. How do you know onye kamwa? Girl kangwa, I love kwangi. This your friends, your friends. The girl Jenaz, you got friends. Say na this is my boyfriend. He's putting down on you people. No, it's not the purpose. The purpose is to put more value on you, to tell you the differences. Obuni give you a listening ear, a full the differences with your friends. Sometimes it's not like the man is trying to put you away your friends. No. Somebody with designing spirit can tell you, even those your friends can set you up and put you in a problem. Before Mali a drug, before Mali a self go give a maya, before Mali a cause a magi. Baby, let me go to a party before Mali a mother bani me toilet piagoko, a married woman, he may go mistake. And your friends will keep it. I say baby, no man. And you don't withdraw from that circle. It's no more a mistake. Anything you do for 2 times is not a mistake, but once, you can still retract your movement. Build a wall, build a wall, build a wall. A wall of resistance. If you build a wall of resistance, you can be able to protect yourself. In fact, a very, very big danger. This is street knowledge for you. And then man obuna jebe nwanya abulo nwunye ọ na-apụta na gate o nwe guilty. He stop la anya I ga-etiche nwe that moment. Ọ ga-akwụ ụgwọ niile ọ ga-akwụ because all the guilty. Ọ bịago onyugo. Yes, you ọ na-akụzi ka ọ kọọ pala ka ọ ba moto ka ọ start ya ka ọ nakwulu nwunye. You ọ make it up, go make it up for those mistakes. That minutes, 5 minutes hours ala nwunye call ọ na-akpụ uche ashi ọ ga-ashi. I jam that person that moment ọ ga-akwụ gị ezigbo ụgwọ. Street. A lot of people, but these things, Nisi, we're not a game, I'm not today, but some of you people are malo. Emmanuel, we are the dark happy again. We put a moto, pitch moto, in a check moto game, and we happy dia keep pitch moto gamma mechi. If your moto go look mugu. Mugu, but from today, because if your moto gaka pitch, check it that door moto game mechi. Ama will knowledge na page I be yellow just subscribe ni ya na eme. Ozigbo Ndo chief. Ozigbo Ndo. Thank you my brother. Thank you for stopping by. As a woman yeli tu na moto, ineji ije agwa. In the fine girl, in the big girl. If ya moto madam check aka do moto gi. I'm a varieties. Madno subscribe go na my YouTube here. Kai bido go there ba. How many people subscribe go na my? Oh, when you subscribe go na my YouTube go nyake enu. 100 people watching. How many people subscribe? Oh, when you subscribe go na my YouTube go nyake enu. Emeche kanje correspond or kanje correspond o ya. Obone subscribe go na my YouTube onye aka enu kanje correspond. Some of you people are also even also, but you came to enter. He just came okay grab knowledge. Everybody with knowledge, no knowledge is a waste. That's why you are here. The energy name mega attract here. You need here. Why not do that one thing more need? I'm a It's a trade by barter. I give you what you need. You put it to what you have. All of you people are very learned people. I respect your individual capabilities. And I know I respect your capacity. But with diverse knowledge, and with varieties, and with different tastes, and with spices, I say grab knowledge as old as I am, with an old soul. Somebody told on the street, yes. But I'm not grab knowledge. current affairs mbosi ma abata na politics ị ga-eti mkpu ngwa gị ihe gbasara America ị ga-eti mkpu ngwa gị ihe gbasara Middle East ị ga-eti mkpu ngwa gị ihe I don't just like the ihe dị na Nigeria but ke ya na-akọwa we have to understand every person nọ gị n'akụkụ is either the person is supporting you or the person is just ignorant of your own goals. The worst thing is when somebody abụla a supportive partner in a gabigiye, but you don't know how to open up. Some of you people go oya, ibute lawyer, but imagine what your person, the person we get bringing it out. You keeping that secret. A woman you in this country, a secret here, and until today the secret is with me. I told him anybody. I told him this is my friends. Dobellum that secret. Because the people will judge, I got judge Nyana that secret, no make it open. He make a mistake, but you don't know who to confide in. Thank you. Because the nearest person self, if is suspicious of that people, keep that and not trust that person. It will hurt you. What with that secret? A problem. This is the secret of your survival in this life. Be mindful. When on a street, guy do it of Tanane recording. Hey, Mary J, thank you, my guy. I need recording. I be not calling. Hey, you man catchy cool. You man cool. No, be mindful. Shape your mouth well. You gotta be very, very careful. Mary J, my guy, it's a bagote. Chukumelije. As him Ambuaz. My guy. Chukumelije is my person. Oh, my good friend. I really appreciate him. So many of you people malum through Chukumelije page. Yes, he's somebody that I respect. His moderation is top notch. In fact, Chukumelije is in a radio station, and the Mochige radio station. Monwa bish na abia mbiala ni nyem free na the free kampiawas. Ambuwe was yes. Ige mechenolo at the peak of knowledge. Ige mechenolo at the top, and you begin to disperse the knowledge in where. Omoge, iga be a role model to your children. Iga be a role model to your husband. The evidence of what you preach is your ability to display it in your actions in a mere. And when they perfect, but in a attain, in a true perfection every day. You love all your health well. You got the discipline, Nike now. It's your keep the moon. It's your keep the herpes. It's your keep the hepatitis B. It's your keep the undiscovered. And a lot of in fact, and a lot of oya then none or draw explainable, or draw. Oh, and cannot tell you open mother. Always know that a phone is something he gave piggy, no what. Some of the things he gave figable, he ate it on, he ate it on, and the email are your actions. Obune banale na your action ne wo plug no what. In 90% chances nega won chigi. Somebody guy say one team must kill a man. I say withdraw from such person now. One team must kill a man. She call. You have to choose a destiny. You got to be very, very careful. The people you surround yourself with, how a contribution how they make in your life. Everybody in surround you with don't just put your trust out there. My friends love me so much. Ta Mugu. In a circle of 5, it can be only 1 or 2 is praying for your can entertain that your good your testimony. Something really good. Don't go with the majority. People are good, but a lot of people are envious. And with level of envy out there, and with jealousy, and with wickedness. Some people cannot even perpetuate that wickedness, but inside them heart, their heart do look good. You bought a car today, how many people are happy for you? You build a house, how many people? But it doesn't make you to stop loving people. No. What about my message? My message, be isolated within your borders. When that restriction wall, be a spectator, don't be inside the ring. Inside the ring, now is when you are the problem. You are not displaying for all to see because you want privacy, you want secrecy, you want anything. You play with the value. Your availability, too much in the available is a problem for you. People will value you less. Ibu a girl, Bob no igi nwoke kpo go no be kwe ga anu. Okpo ibe ebi ibe la nose bi for akwa yi t-shirt. Yi t-shirt ya yi lipoli e gbazie lot. On agi dog side on agi side on agi side on agi side. After 4 years or sigin la baby la only ka ogwade ego only just daily SMS. I don't think I can do this in you genuine moon or palapa. Yewo olafumo mugu. It is too much available. You believe you have to go extra mile. Ask yourself, not going extra mile is the problem. But this person or what about the value in place no. If you go like a diminish your value, that person will not appreciate it. Sometimes you have to lie a good lie. See, as boss, he will retain a small value. See, as boss, he will retain I say I did remember the heart. You are just lying to protect your value. You put your small value no. Obulos also give a beautiful girl. No, if I don't give him Choma, we give him Mugu. He will go inferiority, complexity. He will go insecurity, number one thing. And the person you are doing things with, or they very skillful, oh my God. People will use your weakness against you, but you don't know. Since he meets him, you as a guy, in a weeping. Agba me woman that na digina yogi biko no oga yogi degi biko obule guy man. Enwomo guy the very bad. Kampyazi gikina. Enwomo guy. O man image man ona yogi biko. No, but change the guy get meche kwaga kalapoge. Sometimes smoking na yogi biko ne just rethink ya iya menan onye kwesi na yom biko. Obu na onye anwe kwesili na yogi biko stop all that action. Ekwesine ko yogi da biko ka biko biale gi mbo the necessary. Unnecessary biko na meche turn not to hatred. Each time a man na yogi biko mbo kwesili yogi biko igie na edi on a decrease, and that person bulonye juche oge meche lapoge. You have to be careful in a deal with clever people out there. The person in a lie down with nenube don't want to or the too much intelligent for you. And agabazili intelligence also know your ability to dictate. Kedi do okay for this time. Kedi do okay for this time. Nwoke na akwugo ụgwọ n'ime marriage ka ọpịa gị ọkụ ịnọ n'ime marriage ịnali ego ọpịacha gị ọkụ ịpụta ụtụtụ echi baby cancer n'isi na baby na dahe ngwa gị everything in na-eme after 24 hours mpịachala ọkụ every discussion in our land will come on money, everything will come on money. Nne ihe bụ who copy on n'ime marriage if you able who copy on n'ime marriage in a threat na enwe I can short a woman down. Do you know how many people will marry me when I go out of? That means you are serving this person a rice, but you never present the sauce outside. And when people go down, put a line on your DM, it's not always like that. But always know who you are. But don't say it out. Imagine you put too much value on your confidence, yes, but don't put it out to that person. Don't say it. Say, who copy your Nemo marriage? You can't tell some people out there. We have to be very, very careful. You are dealing with a very intelligent partner in some cases. Then in some cases, in a deal with somebody who is intelligent. But don't abuse that person. Yes, I mean that person abuse. If you don't love somebody, why do you settle down with that person? You always see yourself that in a option. That is why you settle down with that person. Then that person ain't punish that person indirectly. Ono ginenu but you want chemistry with him. Ono ginenu in a fake in anyo but a anyo. Everything in a mail fake. Iwena mi egie. Some of you people ne like that good man in anu because he bought the gasness of Cain. A girl who named you from my heart you were friends. Your mother na call you carry on. Also friends say Nambu Mugu. Look at how I'm controlling him. He say Mugu. Nne can go take the KFC. Na me go to check go McDonald's. Omola na call carry on. Nne it's in my nature to take care of you. I blow me Mugu. Yes. Don't abuse that good gesture. That good things, if we need receive from that person, it's save as mugu. Mumu. There will be a time you will never see that kind of thing. In a hard way. Somebody do well upon where banner a rough, awesome no in a rough setting, wire. You can never get it back again. So many of the good people in abuse today, when you lose them, you will meet the worst people in your life. Forget what is written outside. Inside, go. Ibani me put any yarn and madlies. A girl who delegate good, delegate honesty, name me abuse. If you now go, men are polygamous in nature. Men are polygamous in nature. I want to debate them. In debate here for us. I'm not going to make debate, man. I better money and make debate. Ebele me meli onye money and make debate. Ebele me meli onya. Because na ngeshi na 19 something whereby na future ngaba na 2020, 30, 2050 where chikota knowledge where war also where ta. Yes. You will a daughter today, but he is scared. I got waggy skills. I got waggy the dangers. Apogolumunu, after all good ichi, yen na bia enticing sweet, on abia in candies. On in different form, in form of a candy. Mwagin the 14 years can begin to take it in school. It only take 5 months or 3 months, or they hooked up, or they addicted. Then all that futaga as the enemy. Once your child it turns you as the enemy, it will go problem as a parent. 24 hours in a day, it will like 10 hours or 6 hours to be with your children. 10 hours is outside for the school, or 7 hours for the school. The influence outside is more powerful than the one inside. You have to be very, very alert. Parents, nege my page. Don't just come here, hey, no. I'm a cook nebu workers, nebu wires. But me nebu workers in week off for. I won't like him, but mebu wires. Itinye, but he blew on your zoku, but I nebu workers, chopped on wagin and no wagin a mirror, male big up at work in your life. Biaka. Change is constant, but how you make that change is the most important thing. Thank you so much for the gift. Change is important. Change is constant, but how you make that change? The worst person you will deal with is a pretender. Pray against a pretender in your life. People got very, very good until they enter you. If a guy, that lady, he didn't demand anything. But in also this person for materialistic gain, at the end of the day, because when a woman opens up now, open a door open, now the person a door vulnerable to manipulation, you will enjoy that you're opening up. Thank you so much for the gift. Yes. If a man, he open for somebody, he never invest. But in the back of the mind of the person, that person don't want to go far with you. I can give you evidence of love is no more marriage. Hey, Saliana page. With the first person, I quote you anywhere. With the first person reveal here. Now, mother will get to that blown all over. Now, mother will take marriage to that blown all over. The people marry now for different reasons. Now that would happen. Obun is you follow my YouTube, Bishop Israel TV. Go and follow my YouTube. Hey, that fine girl, the ceremony will be over. I give you 6 months. Kakanka worms and everything go be over in TV. How do you respond to your husband? Baby, be a go do in a no more. So, oh, this man, Bob no Naya man. Once you start to do this, is it not better you leave that man? Why are you suffering him? Somebody will tell him now, I married this man, I didn't love him. Now, everything goes in at the marriage. I love him, moto now, but all these things. How? Why? How did your conscience feel? No, let's marry. Marriage. No, you have to ask yourself, there are a lot of things to consider. I mean, if some sisters are not protect their brother, if some their mothers and they protect their son. All these things, some of them are in a light way, in a good way. I don't want to go into it. But you have to be very, very careful. Be very, very, very careful. Any person in your life manipulate you, go see you whereby pray against such person. Yes. The intent, when the intent is wrong, the structure can never be right or be shukulia. Yesterday, I always analyze people. When you are laughing for me now, I will analyze your laugh. I'm sorry to say you that. Okay, make the laugh analyze. Yes, I will analyze it. Our wife. One day turn her back. I'm telling you the truth. Many times. Balmolu na emale evichu no balmolu na emale asu akwa balmolu na emale edozi things wana mboshi igbalmolu na lollipop inwego problem. Yes. Nwa yo buna balolu na lollipop aga lapta nwa nji we gwa ginas a girl today no na marriage 6 years on akwu ex-boyfriend ya go 300,000 every month. Mboshi the guy lose umwe you up the guy 2 million naira. I'm on the case. Upon me yesterday, or pick call, and they go me a message. The problem now the girl don't want to come out and do this case because it's a big case. The guy get junga. Because the guy Joto send Delia, Oju the author threatening the girl. Yes. Stop proving yourself as a man. A proof is anything. Love is all about body language. The only thing I dictate to me very easily is love. When you love somebody, you show it. Don't let anybody put you in the speed. Your inner cancer of my your ability to dictate that you are now on speed to prove a particular person ne love is your mbu ebaka your shoulder ambido. How many times can your partner go and thank you? How did she receive that gift? In a new gift, immediately on us, but babe is a big red flag. Withdraw. But babe, I could open iPhone 14, but I'm going to take 12. But babe, anyway, thank you. It's a big red flag. Lap that person very fast. Experience can japiagi key. Lap the person. The person cannot withdraw any or man withdraw from any materialistic offer bigger than what you have given outside. It's all about being contented. With a greedy partner, it will go problem. Yes, it will be a big problem. With somebody that don't appreciate it, it will go problem. Couple husband and wife, they know where we get on, and then life, when people know where we are. You are looking at your husband. Stop doing that. Yes. Abumoya Nambara, yes. An unappreciative partner is the worst partner you can ever pray for. Because when the road become rough, they will leave you and jump to the next car. It's all about the ride. Somebody they appreciating, when somebody they appreciating, protect that person like a gold. That person will be gold. Baby, baby, I love you so much. I pray for you. You will never lack. A beggars will put a magical margin. I wanted this one, but in Kenya, I'm okay. I pray that God will give you next time to give me. As the same applies to a man. We mainly give something. Isilia, baby, thank you so much. Baby, I appreciate. Baby, I am not you go them. Now what for you? You are an ingrate. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. You daughter of somebody, you son of a somebody. Knowledge in whatever you will put in your life. You will go far in your life. I bet you. It has helped me. Appreciation is supposed to reciprocate. Appreciation is one of the fruits your partner can possess. Or get help in your trying times. Somebody get 1% with you. Because you that is full in the morning, something can happen unexpectedly. Will the person be patient with you? Looking on a critical condition. How many men will open their eyes with them, not in pretense, but committed, 100% committed to see to their recovery? In a check, make you baby, hey, on answer, you want to go nilo, on answer, mugu. On answer. He tell 1 week, I mugu, maybe him and I'm high libido. If for someone why put with this narrative. I don't know okay, Pialo copia my manager goko, a pono no le na lolo aka. The fair malia madon, the fair malia pia magam. As a girl, if you don't guide yourself with your dignity, it will to nothing. And no matter how much you pretend, it got cast. It got cast. Because if your guy is listening to me now, they'll begin to open their eyes. Average person, average, not all. Their performances are okay. They need to work on that. Average person, 1 hour, 2 hours, but you are still not contented because you're not at an experimental stage. We meet you okay. Well, I'm working in noise. Highly be dark and because 2 hours, 1 hour, 4 play and 1 hour or 30 minutes self is enough for you. Yes. Ebia go money catch ebia more. Omego ge ebia 2 times money catch ebia more. You are not always satisfied. Why not leave that relationship instead of suffer that more? Because once you are in a relationship, you are suffering the person that you are with. Yes. Once in on a relationship, anya gidi nilo. Ni mebeli ya winike mwetele the opportunity. Ekugomye here. Eno here na watch him, but he save number working na your draft na your email. He save number girl na your draft na your email. Ne chezi mboshi ige mwete the right opportunity. Business trip onyala. Ki ije pioko na business trip. Onwike bulu the last pioko iga apia wiya. The worst thing that in fact, the worst thing any DJ patoya. With all due respect, when you open up again my page, I'm not here to laugh at you. I'm here to use a message to, to change so many people's perspective about life. That fine girl, oh, but I go on your DM, everything in a message, okay, she transfer, baby, I'll give you money, everything, ki me travel, ki je pia oko. Only ke below the last oko iga pia. Ibulez boya. Oya enwele nkowa. Imane oya enwele nkowa. Doctors how much the meaning of that oya. Yaga na agwa na this organism, this fungi, this thing, oba gonna artery. Na artery ejeko no olfactory lobe, and asulu go for aso nwoke ana agbali n'enu bed before na emecha analysis ni ne gbo inaze ekwu okwu. Yes, you as a girl you ekwu yes no nwe ebe oje wole agwo they use snake in anudi imana your past the very rough you could not change. E will agwa make a love to you. Agwa bachagini ma loputa. Igala deliverance. Ibana marriage with a very calm person, a man or but or TTV. Ibata baby keki me baby alo adukwa gen kilugi. You just use that person keys up and then go marriage. But everything he deal with your past, he boss a billionaire. I prefer somebody dealing with the things. They continue a good life. You know, as a girl, unkite dina gogi, sleep, go far, go Kuwait, go Arab countries, he may go things he draw proud of. You will meet a gentleman tomorrow, somebody that draws streetwise, somebody that will not, it doesn't even mind your past. Oh, baby, I don't care about your past, but your past is still stuck with you. Yes. What is the worst thing he may go for money? Your availability to display that your naughtiness in public, and you go settings. No, where say buy a disotua. A guy they may with dignity, call 5 to that. Munyona, if one of the most beautiful girls go nowhere. But I go select 2 people. Nime munye no nime a girl on first thing tomorrow morning and a joker for this marriage. If reception, if they be this thing, it's not the girl amalo. The guy be a pia 2 some, pia 3 some. Chilum one but the most 2 beautiful girls out of that 5. Bola Habana bigger room, pia for kolapo for there. Everybody left those people for them. Guys, no zine the next day after KMH wedding on the honeymoon night, the guy could before ladies here. It's another girl amalo. It's another girl amalo. That in email accept. Don't cry about it in the future. Go and follow my YouTube, guys. Don't follow my YouTube. Don't follow my YouTube. I'm challenging everybody not here. Nobody follow my YouTube. You're not really my friend. You're not really my friend. Yeah, so many of you people now will not even patronize and buy my books. Support me in name. I'm a content creator. I'm making life lessons. Experiencing where some of you people you know that experience Ishigiga Bowa. Yes. Yes. If you cannot retract, if you cannot be that bad girl that become a good girl, the opposite is the case. Change is the only thing constant. I prefer somebody that is changing from bad to good than somebody catch your email explore. To able that your partner, no come with fantasies or catch email explore. How can I imagine threesome? How can I imagine phone in front of the beach with you in absence, not with you? If you go to beach in Alona 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, you know you on Nilu beach, Nilu Mili beach. They was safe. I'm come to Nigerian beach. Come you buy flight to Mauritius. Go and sit in front of beach. Sit down. Everything I blow up, nothing. And then we are a romantic moment and I build. Una kaliaoka, una michon, una dinelana, aje munna, una jena kuku beach, engoche showers, una shower yourself. If you cannot put that time, invest such things, you cannot. You man add in the spices need in your marriage. Go. I'm always about money. Yes. Again, when I talk today, if you have money, I believe everything. There are spices in a lack in your marriage. Mepe counseling class. Ebuludina munye is either than fees in marriage you immediately more no put their wasa unabaga separate ways. Yes. Gaki follow, just subscribe on my YouTube. Why in the sigi subscribe on my YouTube today is for you. Kemalo yes. Nenweli iga offer in return. And when you again what game in return for me. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm a content creator. As I'm talking to you people now and I'm going to work, I'm my wall. Where are the forgotten people? Who are the people that can, in fact, your voice, I'm not anything, a page become a different people. Emit gun people in this life. Where choptana. A lot of people have enough knowledge in face this life. I'm sorry to say this. Your inability to confront your challenges because you have lesser knowledge is not a problem, it's not a fault. But you need to gain those knowledge. In all you're getting, get wisdom. Your wisdom can prepare in the dark time. You will give all, igenye all. And the malimbe all, malimbe enough is enough. When limit. Some of you people in on a trauma bonding. I say man in on a trauma bonding. In our speed. My woman doesn't appreciate me. But what can I do? Ne mali ineme. Me pay counseling class in Nigeria. I'm abata. Yes. Me pay counseling class. Bian kam me unu counseling. Woke kuchoku ngwa guti woke gini anano. Wa kuchoku ngwa utino. I give you people 3 months. You come to my class every once in a month or once in 2 weeks. You will fix it. Inwe nwa anala anu iwe, ọ na-agba kolos, ọ na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri, duteli m ka ngwa iwe niile dị na fuchi ya. Yes. Mmeji sọsọ mmiri gwọ the boy ala. Mmeselie friends ya niile na drawing board of ndị friends ya. Of na friends ya niile ji mma, jide egbochi ọka egbu onye anwa. Be careful. The circle email won't get exposed to. As a woman, you can listen to my page and gain knowledge. As a man, you can listen to my page. Some of you men have so many doubts about Yana Meba. Stop having doubt. I had a challenge. Another uncensored person character. Not one on TikTok like this. Not one on other pages. Tag me, I will come and take. Take care of the person. Yeah, now this movement have got motivation to so many people. People are starting to speak out. But I can't only the core uncensored. I can't only the core uncensored. We talk about justice system here. We talk about addiction. We talk about street. We talk about alcoholism. We talk about every influence. We talk about manipulation, marriage, relationship. Things are the law original, but how can you say that things is normal, but when things are not normal? Some of you people need defend, defend, because you are afraid. Why are you afraid? A woman, you ask him, I'm afraid, I cannot go back. My mother is not there. My father is not there. As long as I get back. But what are your options? How is your mind exposed to different options? You are scared to even think about, contemplate on another option because it crippled with the moment. Trauma bonding. As a man, if this girl leave me, you are my word. If you leave me, I will die. Pushing put that in. Obuni ibu man when I go on that in pushing queer. Obuni ibu woman when I go work that in. Stop it from today. Na page screenshot or screen record. I can point also. If you don't go screen record, Pido screen record I can repeat here because some of you people are not on my YouTube. Make a good one in Nina name here. Ipidogiaka Obulu Nina Gwanwoke, without you I will die. I will buy. I'm gonna cook TikTok him. Owo Nina Gwanwa, without you I will buy. We share from today. Nenala Yala. Over. May you pursue do what you're supposed to do. If the good, but let that your goodness be appreciated. When it's not appreciated, take a note. Take a note. But your partner na make appreciate. Your partner na against you, we no take a note. It's an abuse or verbal abuse. Psychologically, on a diminution of value. Likewise, you as a girl, as a guy. When I say gay, easy. They know y'all just need the list of my suitors. Nebu mugu. Gaman, take a note. Such thing when psychologically only depreciate your value and render your ego useless. Be mindful of what you say to your partner. Some of you people ban a shower. Take a walk. Be mindful of what you say. Things you out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. Most of the things you know, if you don't retract it and change, you continue on that projection. You continue on that pattern. That thing can trigger something you cannot even fix. Gonna follow my YouTube now. Obuna check my YouTube. Obuna made 20 follow my YouTube now. Makusi life now. Go and follow my YouTube. Only 5 people followed my YouTube. Screenshot to Ayane goes now. Screenshot to Ayana. Bishop Israel TV. Screenshot to Ayana. Bishop Israel TV. Screenshot to Ayana. Obu ne nwele high number. Ne nwele ndi ne folie mma akwusi the life. I want you to go and get hunger for truth. Get hunger for truth. Where the drive, where the hunger. Everybody screenshot all this thing. Let 100 people go and follow this thing now. Because every day I'm a new followers here. But why my YouTube are there reflect with here my TikTok name? Yes. Let's call it out. Bishop Israel TV. Somebody see with all these things in there, even with all these things in there, yeah, man, so many of them they buy their support. They just everybody can talk, just can gain. Nobody want to give in. In reference to relationship. All you want to do is to gain. I'm giving you people who are the people doing it. Bishop Israel TV. Screenshot Wayakita. Screenshot it now. Ijikwe the spelling of Bishop Bishop Israel Israel TV. Now YouTube. This is my YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. YouTube can negotiate here. I am one of followers, unfortunately. On all social media space, yeah, I even engage in find them. The same name I can naza. The same name I can naza. Only 5 people again followed me. I called the Godun for now. It's on my page here. It's on my front page. I forgot the link. The link is here. I thank everybody. I'm making everybody now support here. First of all, I want to appreciate everybody that gifted me. And if you subscribe here, you can as well subscribe here for me. Other than my bio. I said it here. This name, Bishop Israel TV, then my bio. Just go to my page now. Ghana my bio, you got the name. Go and subscribe. I did an ego. It be blue knowledge, you get you a relationship. I say one GJ a relationship. No, the Malian anemia. Malian anemia. It's better for you to know what you are into than the Malian anemia. Israel, uneden Israel wrong. I be buzo. ISRAEL. Oh yeah, thank you everybody. Nga abia kampo. Life was I game mega maybe in the evening time or from my workplace, depending on the schedule. I'm making everybody that gifted me. Thank you so much. Abunina support here maybe subscribe or here. Subscribe or here. I will really appreciate. Thank you all. Ne promote, ne post ni yana me, na share, na tagging, na everything. Ya block content creator. Ya no ya a movement. movement ga-enyere gị aka, ọ ga-enyere gị aka na training your children, ọ ga-enyere gị aka na your marriage, ọ ga-enyere gị aka na scrutinizing you as yourself, ọ ga-enyere gị aka in your social life, ọ ga-enyere gị aka mma when the journey is, it's meant to be over, ọ ga-enyere gị aka how to move on, a lot of things. Thank you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.